Welcome to the Spy Collection. I'm Anastasios and this is another memorabilia item from the intelligence world. It's a desk clock from the NIS, the National Intelligence Service of the Republic of Korea from the late 90s. On the box, you see the old seal of the National Intelligence Service of the Republic of Korea. This is partially inspired by CIA's compass, which shows that the agency will reach out in all of destinations in order to collect intelligence. The newer seal was introduced in 2016 and it looks like this. Inside this box we can find a nice navy blue box which is made out of metal. And of course inside this box we have the clock and again the seal of the National Intelligence Service of the Republic of Korea. Those desk clocks were typically given to foreign intelligence officers working with the National Intelligence Agency of the Republic of Korea at that time as a gift to show appreciation. It is a rare piece of the intelligence history for an agency that most people are not very familiar with. Yet it plays a key role in the region. Once again, thank you for watching the Spy Collection, and until next time remember that nothing is as it seems.